I was so tired from the last few days. I slept today like 9 hours. But okay. I got an umbrella for free. That's my outfit for today. I have a hat also. I didn't do my makeup. Hell no. I'm not feeling like this, but I finally slept more than 4 hours. So I am happy. I will be going around the town with this all the time. But I'm going to Family Mart right now to buy some water. Then after that, there is a long way before me. Yeah. So last night I stayed until like 11 p.m. something like that, talking with Chinese guy in the lobby. And the owner was so nice. Oh my god, it was such a good place. So yeah. So this is me, this is my look. Wait a second. Oh, here is a jacket, here is things, here is an umbrella. To be honest, the walk itself, it's not even hard, yeah, but the carrying all the stuff that is what is like most challenging to me, because my hand hurt, and today I will need to buy a second bag definitely, because I don't wanna buy a luggage right now. No, not yet. Today I'm going to Osaka Castle and then Dotonbori, these all shopping streets. So I hope to find a good bag, but just like simple bag, nothing expensive, nothing fancy, or maybe something fancy, who knows. To be honest, oh my god, walking with all these things is tiring, but don't worry, one day I will have to climb the Himalayas and I will have even how do you say more weight? Even bigger baggage. So I need to get used to that. I think it's a good and cheap street, like similar to the one in Kyoto, but it's very cheap in here. I will check out the name and yeah. It's Tenjinbashi Suji Street, nearby the metro, and it's amazing. Just Tenjinbashi. I have no idea, but there is cheap food, there is everything is so cheap here. Like, yeah, I think that's a local one, not the tourist one. Just simply wandering around with no like strict goal. It's always so cool because you find places that you wouldn't find on Google Maps or anywhere else. And yeah, I'm holding my bag like that because my head hurts. You probably heard or thought that, yeah, Japanese people wear such good clothes, and overall, like East Asian people, they dress so well. And how do they do that? Where do they get clothes? Bro, it's sold on like in every single shop. They just don't have bad clothes, unlike the West. Like, especially if you are a person like me who likes more alternative, punk, rock, something like that, like harder style, then this is the paradise, shopping paradise. I bought this top. I don't have a bra, it has like the pads there, and bro, it's amazing. Like, and it costed me the same amount of money as a not good looking t-shirt in Poland in some shop. Ah, nice. I am going to Osaka Castle, and to be honest, I love this place. Like, yeah. But the USJ was not my thing. Not my thing, but I think people would like it. I am just weird. And see all these trees? They are all sakura. Like the ones that you know that are blooming and looking so pretty and stuff. Well, right now they are green, so this is the river. The last one that I showed you was Yodo River, and this is going from there up until Osaka Castle, and also there are lots of kids on my umbrella. So, and also there are many rivers in Osaka because it's really near the sea. So yeah, that makes sense. And you know, like, yeah. But there are lots of rivers, and the rivers are big. Like, they're big. And I think also they are deep, but I have no idea how deep they are. I just realized that I forgot to take my fake piercing from Family Mart. And well, what can I say? I have another one, so it doesn't really bother me. But I've lost 2 socks, 1 hat, and now a fake piercing from like the whole my trip. So, well, what can I say? So the one thing that I realized is that the air here is so humid that like I am sweating a lot. I am getting tired of more often. Like, yeah, I'm not used to this kind of weather, this kind of conditions. I don't know, this type of climate. Oh yeah, exactly. So yeah. But it's my last day in Osaka. To be honest, I don't think this is a city for me. I found Kyoto more enjoyable, like, yeah, more diverse. But like, yeah, this is the city, the typical city. So yeah, and otherwise, moreover, I think that yeah, it is pretty. It is pretty, especially at night. It is beautiful, wonderful. I enjoy it, and I love the rivers. I love everything. But as I said about the USJ, that like it's not my type of thing. So now I am going on another 6 kilometers walk because I walked 6 kilometers to get here. Wow, oh my god, I slept so well today. And I probably will be like looking tired all the time and sound tired. But you know what? If you're not tired on a trip, like, what are you doing? I am not here to relax. I am here to discover everything. Oh my god, I love the quality. I love it. Well, it could kind of... Okay, look how cool that looks. Like, yeah. There are mountains, there is a temple, I think the shrine right there. Oh. And yeah. But I realized that I look dissatisfied, disappointed, mad, bored all the time because of the sun. Like, now that I have the sunglasses on, I no longer like do the thing with my forehead, or I don't know, shrink my eyes and stuff like that. So yeah, just letting you know, I'm not bored. Oh, I wish I was bored, bro. Like, even if I was bored, I'm bored in Japan. Come on. But nonetheless, I'm not bored. I enjoy every single moment, and simply I'm trying to like record as many but not often things, so that I can enjoy it more. And you know, like obviously I don't want to spend all my trip filming stuff, because I'm seeing through my eyes and not camera lenses. Sorry. Eating an egg salad. It's so good. Okay, I am going to Dotonbori Street, and yeah, I am going shopping again, but this time, well, a little bit more careful, I would say. Yeah. By the way, this time I didn't forget piercing. I just thought that, okay, it's my house, so yeah, I don't need it. Now I am going to Dotonbori, and then I will probably stay there for like half of the day, because I love shopping. I love searching for new clothes, but this time I will be more responsible. Yeah. Okay, so I have no idea where this street is. Technically I am on it, but I don't think... Maybe it's this, but I am at the end of it. Oh, that might be the answer. Yeah. I just met a cool girl. I spent with her like 5 hours, 4 at least. And yeah, I'm walking to the metro. Tomorrow I will be in Shizuoka, so yeah. Anyway, now I regret that I'm not staying in Osaka longer. Just boarded, and I'm going to take off my eye contacts. And then, oh my god, and then I am going to sleep. It's been a while since I left Japan, and I just want to say that strangers that you met randomly can really change your life. The girl that I was talking about in this video that I met in Osaka, oh my god, like my life turned around, literally. Things started to come into my way. I feel like I was trying to like hold back my energy, hold back everything, and like really just put a shadow in who I really am, just because I was scared. I was actually scared of like people judging me and stuff. I got into this trap again, and she was like, hey, why don't you do it? Do it. I lost some of people in my life, I gained another people, but I really have been happy since then, and oh my god, like honestly, that's just wholesome. That's a wholesome moment that I will keep that in my heart. And like currently when I am recording this, I already booked my trip back to Japan for 10 days. Right before starting uni, so I just graduated high school, so yeah. My life is only beginning, it's only starting right now. So I just can't wait to see what another month will just get me. It's been 2 months since I came back from Japan, and my life have never been the same. It was never the same. It was the people, the whole experience, everyone I met. Those people really gave so much into, just added up so much into my life. I'm so happy to just like be here and look at the growth that I had, look at everything that I gained. And also another fact, because as I said, she made me realize that, hey, just open up and everything will come into your way. And yeah, before I left for Japan I had like 400 subscribers, 400 I think, or 380, something like that. Now it's 700. And oh my god, my other social media are also growing. Like I'm sorry that I am recording it on such a bad quality, however I am in my home countryside home, I would say. So yeah, that's the reason for the lack of quality. And also I don't want to be facing the mirror because the video is uploading right now. So yeah, just I wish you all the best, guys, and never stop dreaming. Actually, never stop dreaming, because maybe the place that you are in around right now, it doesn't fit you. Maybe it's too small, maybe it's holding you back. And don't be scared of going out, traveling, and in one place your life will truly begin, because the place that you are in really matters, and the situation in life that you have depends on where you are, really. Because there is a different situation if you were living in London, there is a different situation if you would be living in a small village in, I don't know, Hungary. It's different. Every single place is different. The same as London is not equal to New York. Like, yeah, they are similar. They speak English in both countries. I mean, they are cities, but like the countries that the cities are in. But they are not the same. And this is my message. Like, you might think that, okay, but going abroad will not bring me in. It will. If it is the right country, if it is the right place for you, it will. The same with people. The right people will come into your way. Okay, taste test. Okay.